To make uttapam, start by soaking 1 cup of rice and 1/4 cup of urad dal in water for at least 4 to 6 hours or overnight. After soaking, drain the rice and urad dal and grind them together in a blender or wet grinder to a smooth batter. Add salt to the batter and let it ferment for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. The batter should rise and become slightly fluffy. In a bowl, mix finely chopped onions, tomatoes, green bell peppers, cilantro, and cumin seeds to prepare the toppings. Heat a griddle or non-stick pan on medium heat and grease it with a little oil or ghee. Pour a ladleful of the fermented batter onto the hot griddle and spread it in a circular motion to make a thick pancake. Immediately sprinkle the prepared vegetable topping on the uttapam. Drizzle a little oil or ghee around the edges of the uttapam and cook until the bottom turns golden brown. Flip the uttapam and cook the other side until it's cooked through. Once both sides are golden brown and the center is cooked, transfer the uttapam to a plate and serve hot with coconut chutney, sambar, or tomato chutney.